Good morning again. It's good to see you. I am pleased to say that today we've got another exciting adventure. We are going out onto the San Antonio River to paddle down not just any section, but the Riverwalk. The San Antonio River Authority has opened up the river for 4 weekends in October, and we decided we wanted to jump on that. That's not a place you can paddle regularly, and so we're glad that we can get out there and do this. So let's get ready to go. We were camping, hiking, and exploring in the Big Bend of Texas. And then, the world shut down. COVID-19. The world was caught in the jaws of a global pandemic. Like everyone else, we quarantined to flatten the curve. Home was always the place we came to retreat from the pressure of work. But when we started working from home, the pressure came home too. Home became office, and after 3 months of staying in, we had to get out. Boating, kayaking, camping, exploring, and motoring. Getting out however we can. And now, we have started capturing our adventures so that we can share what we have learned and encourage you to get out there too. This is Bob and Morgan, Getting Out. So here we are, we're on the San Antonio River. This is absolutely beautiful. You know, we have seen it from the Riverwalk so many other times, but it's never been from this perspective. So there's Morgan back there, and we're having a great time. We only just got on the river a few minutes ago, and I already feel like I need to stop and explain everything. But this is going to be great. Hold on. See how long we can follow these ducks. Thought they could fly through the glass. There was, except for maybe that one. Oh dear. Coming up on the river center. Good morning. Right up there is San Fernando Cathedral. You just barely see it from the river. You go look at the car.
Okay.
I'll take care of the boats. Here we are back, safe and sound, hoping the car is still there. Okay, we have just come off the river. This has been awesome. What a great day. Morgan has joined the Chamber of Commerce and is now the guide to downtown San Antonio. And so, Morgan, what'd you think?
It was awesome, and we might have to do it again.
I think so, even before the end of the month of October.
That's right.
All right, we'll see y'all later.
Bye.